Both flows and subflows are fundamental elements for building integration applications. However, they have distinct characteristics and use cases. Flow. Function. A flow represents the core processing unit within a Mule application. It defines a sequence of steps that process messages, including receiving messages from sources, manipulating data, invoking external services, and sending messages to destinations. Structure. A flow typically consists of source elements, e.g., HTTP listener, file inbound endpoint, processing components, e.g., data weave transformers, Java code snippets, and error handling mechanisms. Key points. Independent execution. Flows can be executed independently or triggered by other flows. Messaging scope. Flows have their own message source and error handling scope, managing message lifecycle within that specific flow. Reusability. While not directly reusable like subflows, flows can be promoted to templates for creating similar flows with variations. Subflow. Function. A subflow is a reusable processing block that encapsulates a specific set of steps within a flow. It promotes code modularity and reduces redundancy. Structure. Similar to flows, subflows contain processing components but lack their own source or error handling. They inherit these aspects from the calling flow. Key points. Reusable block. Subflows can be referenced and invoked from multiple locations within a flow or even from other subflows. Limited scope. Subflows inherit message source and error handling from the calling flow. Modular design. Subflows promote code reusability and improve flow readability by breaking down complex logic into smaller, reusable units. Here's an analogy. Imagine a flow is a recipe for a complete dish. It outlines all the ingredients, message, and steps, processing components, involved in preparing the dish. A subflow, on the other hand, is like a pre-made sauce or spice mix used in the recipe. It encapsulates a specific flavor or functionality that can be reused in various dishes, flows, without duplicating the preparation steps. Choosing between flow and subflow. Use flows for defining the main processing logic within your application, including message sources, transformations, and destinations. Use subflows to break down complex logic into smaller, reusable components that can be invoked from different parts of your flows or even from other subflows. By effectively utilizing both flows and subflows, you can build modular, reusable, and maintainable integration applications in MuleSoft 4.